What's up guys, I'm Nick D'Ambrosio, owner of Big Splash Graphics, here to hit you with a quick tip from experience. Branding and wrapping your vehicles can boost your revenue anywhere from 15 to 30%. Our commercial clients ship their vehicles directly to us before they even hit the road, just like our client right behind us. Every minute that your fleet is on the road, you pass hundreds, if not thousands of people. Now the question is, would you rather go get a billboard for $5,000 to $8,000 a month? Or would you rather have a moving billboard that lasts you 5+ years? Now you tell me what you think the better value is here. Call us at 732-414-1633 and let's get started on branding your fleet today.